Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover deleted photos on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and now you want to recover your deleted photos, let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to open up your Photos app, and here if you have deleted any photo, for example, I'm going to delete some photos. So just select the photos which you want to delete, and let's say these photos, so select them. Then tap on this delete option, and here delete photos. So once you have deleted photos, now let's see how can you get them back. You have to tap on this collections, then scroll down and you will get an option of recently deleted. Simply tap on it, and here you have to enter your passcode or your face ID, and here you will get all of your deleted photos. So you can easily recover them from here. But if you can't get the photos here, so or if you have more than 1 month deleted photos, so now let's see how can you easily get them. You just have to open your iCloud or iPhone's iCloud storage, and there you can easily get your deleted photos. You can easily restore from there. So in this way you can easily recover your permanently deleted photos or deleted photos on an iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.